In this lesson, we will explore how to animate the direction of an object. To simulate motion in an animation, the position of an object should be adjusted in each frame. To create downward motion, the Y position of the shape will be increased. For example, consider the sketch of the apple. To create a downward motion, the Y position is increased for any shape that is part of the apple. This happens repeatedly until the apple reaches the bottom of the canvas. To create an upward motion, the Y position of the shape will be decreased. When the Y position is decreased from the given apple, the apple moves upward in each frame. This happens repeatedly until the apple reaches the top of the canvas. To create a rightward motion, the X position of the shape will be increased because the X value increases as you move to the right side of the canvas. When the X position is increased for the given apple, the apple moves rightward in the frame. This happens repeatedly until the apple reaches the right side of the canvas. To create a leftward motion, the X position of the shape will be decreased as the X value decreases as you move to the left side of the canvas. When the X position is decreased from the given apple, the apple moves leftward in each frame. This happens repeatedly until the apple reaches the left side of the canvas. Now let's add some motion to our sketches.